Hello my dear students and welcome back to Balaji Online Classes. I am Rabia Khatun and today I will be teaching you English Literature of class 4th. We will be studying chapter number 9 of your book and the name of the chapter is Aladdin. So the story is about a boy whose name was Aladdin and the incidents he went through in his life, and he became so wealthy and he became so popular just because of that incident. So we are going to study about the story of a boy whose name was Aladdin. So once upon a time there was a widow. Widow is a woman who does not have a husband. So there was a widow and she was having a son whose name was Aladdin, and they were very poor. They could barely get anything to eat for their survival. They were very poor. One day what happened, Aladdin met a stranger, a well-dressed stranger, who asked Aladdin that, do you want a gold coin? Then a gold coin for a beggar is too much. He said that obviously I want a gold coin and I can do anything for that. So the strange man, man took him to a cave and said that whatever I'll say you have to do that thing and you will get the gold coin as a reward. He said, the strange man said to Aladdin that go inside this cave and bring me that old lamp that is inside. So Aladdin went inside and the strange man also told that I'm not going because I'm too big for this hole to go in, and you are a small boy, you can easily go in and bring me that lamp. When Aladdin went in, he saw there was a little light that was coming from the old lamp, and everywhere there was gold, there were treasures, there were jewels, and he was shocked to see this sight. He was shocked to see that there was so much of gold, there was so much of jewels. He was shocked to see that, and the man shouted that give me that old lamp. Now there was a confusion in Aladdin's mind, then that when there is so much of gold, so much of jewels, then why is that man asking for that old lamp? वो मैन क्यों वो ओल्ड लैम्प मांग रहा है जबकि यहाँ पर तो इतनी सारी चीजें हैं? So he was confused, he was not able to understand, and the man again shouted that give me an old lamp, and he put his hand inside and he tried to snatch it, and the old lamp also went off, and there was complete darkness in that cave. Aladdin got frightened, he got terrified that there was complete darkness, and he got frightened, and suddenly he was walking, he stepped on a ring, he picked it up and he started rubbing to see what the ring was all about, what the ring was. So when he started rubbing, a genie appeared in front of him, and the genie said that I'm your servant, what do you want? And Aladdin was so terrified that at the first instant only, he just said that please take me back to my home, back to my mother, because I'm all trapped here. I don't understand that what is happening with me. Please take me back to my home. So the genie said that okay, I'll take you back, and in a snap of finger, he took him to his mother. And Aladdin explained the whole incident to his mother, and the mother and showed that old lamp that he had brought, and they started rubbing the old lamp to clean it and keep it at their home, because they were so poor that they could keep that old lamp in their house. So they started rubbing it to clean it, and as soon as they started rubbing it, a second genie appeared in front of them and said that I'm your servant, I will do anything for you, just order me what you want. Then when a person is poor, he or she does not get enough money to eat. So suddenly Aladdin said that please bring me a lovely meal. I want a lovely meal to eat. So, and just in a second, the genie brought a lovely meal in front of them, and they enjoyed the food. After that, with that lamp, they started getting the food, they started getting the clothes, they got a big house, and they became happy and prosperous. So when everything happened and Aladdin also grew up, the mother thought that Aladdin should get married and get settled in his life. So one day Aladdin saw Sultan's daughter, whose name was Halima. He was going through the street in her palanquin, and she was so beautiful that at the first sight only Aladdin fell in love with her. So he told Aladdin told his mother about the incident, and the mother said okay, I'll go to Sultan to ask for his daughter's hand. So Aladdin's mother went to Sultan, and she took a big chest full of diamonds, so that the Sultan should get impressed by their money, by their wealth. So she took that big chest of diamond as a present. So when Sultan heard about it, Sultan said that if Aladdin wants to marry my daughter, then he should, first of all, my daughter is not used to live in small houses. He should build a big palace for her. Secondly, he should bring 40 slaves and each carrying he should bring 40 slaves and each should carry a box of jewels. So that was not a big task for Aladdin and his mother, because they were having the genie and they could order anything and anything could be brought in front of them. So they did the same, and everything was fine, and arrangements were done, and Halima and Aladdin got married happily. The marriage was held with lot of pleasure and excitement, and everywhere it was the noise that Aladdin and Halima are getting married, and about this marriage everybody was talking. So when that strange man who met Aladdin and made him go inside the cave, he heard about the marriage, he heard about the wealth of Aladdin. He understood that it is all because of that old lamp, and he decided to take back the old lamp from Aladdin. So he went back to Aladdin's place, he went back to Aladdin's home, and only Halima was at the place. Aladdin was not there. He knocked the door and he said that I am a merchant. You can take this old, new lamp and give me that old one. So Halima was pleased कि इतना old lamp हमारे घर में रखा हुआ है, हम इसे दे देते हैं और हम उसकी जगह पर एक new lamp ले लेते हैं. Because Halima was not knowing about that thing. Halima को नहीं पता था कि एक genie appear होता है और वो सारी चीजें कर देता है. So Halima ने वो old lamp उठाकर old stranger को दे दिया. When she gave and Aladdin came back, he was shocked to see that nothing was there, because जो ओल्ड लैम्प स्ट्रेंजर को मिल गया था, उसने अपनी पावर्स यूज करके, मैजिकल पावर्स यूज करके उस ओल्ड लैम्प से हलीमा को भी वो वहां से लेते गया, और उसकी अलादीन की जो सारी वेल्थ थी वो उसने वापस ले ली और अलग जाकर एक अपना पैलेस बनाया और वहां रहने लगा और वहां हलीमा को लेते गया. जब अलादीन वापस आया, he saw everything and he was shocked. Then suddenly he remembered of the ring. He took out the ring and he started rubbing it, और जीनी अपीयर हुआ उसके सामने, और अलादीन ने कहा कि take me to the place where Halima is. I want to bring my wife back. So that genie took him to that place where Halima was, and Aladdin told Halima that bring me that old lamp so that we can get back the powers. And Halima brought that old lamp, and Halima and Aladdin got the powers back, and they started living their happy life again. They got all the powers, they got all the magical powers, and the magical powers of that wizard, that strange man, went away because he was not having that old lamp. So this Aladdin and Halima started a new happy life again, and they lived happily ever after. So that was the story. I hope you have understood whatever I have explained you. The notes of this chapter you will be getting on School Mitra app. You can download it from there and complete your work in your book and copy. Until my next video, bye bye and take care.